Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is VassaOlga. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can pair very bright lipsticks with nice lip pencils. They're going to look perfect for each color individually. Stay tuned. We're getting started. I want to use my first color. This is Maybelline Super Old Very Bright shade, and it looks off. So I have a small rule. Whenever you use any bright lipstick, you have to tone this down with a lip pencil that is going to be similar to a vibrant and very bright shade or to a super dark and bright lipstick. I'm going to get started with just an application, and it looks crazy. I mean, that's a beautiful color, but that's a no-no. That is the main reason why I'm going with a lip pencil that is super soft brown. When this is a super kind of bright, almost Barbie style lipstick, this is a way to go with a lip pencil that has a little bit of soft to this. Now you can tell that it is so much better. It is very smooth, but I love the fact that it still has this vibrant color, and I don't really like adding some warm browns or really dark brown shades because it's not the best combination for something spring-like, vibrant, and very, very bright. Right now, we're going to move to a little bit different shade. This is from Guerlain, but I bet you might have other brands in your makeup kit with similar shades. This is a very beautiful berry color that I really love. And this is darker. You can tell that is the main reason why we're going to need a little bit different lip pencil. With this shade, you can actually use similar color lip pencil. You can pair it with that. Or if you feel like it still is off with your complexion, it still needs a little bit different color, I will highly recommend to use maybe something cool tone brown like that. And this is a little bit deeper color. Unfortunately, soft color is not going to work because it was hardly visible. With a very bright pink color, with something darker, it's not going to be visible. But I will highly recommend to use a brush to smudge out any harsh lines and just blend this into my color. Another great option is to use warm tone brown like that. It's going to look really cool and really beautiful. Well, my next shade is obvious. It's going to be red. I mean, red is a unique color. You can wear it any time of the season. It's going to look really pretty during summer, fall, winter, and even spring. It's just the fact that not every single person looks good with red color. And this is my problem. That's just me. Raise a hand. Who is bad with red? Me. But my favorite technique, and I showed you this a couple of times on my channel. I'm using NYX right now. I'm gonna get on the collar. Does it look good? Does it look good? No. That is the main reason why I'm going with my brush, and you can use a lip pencil that is warm tone brown and it's kind of really dark shade, and then you need to pick on the color with a brush, or if you have a nice pencil that is not shredded, you can use a pencil. Does it look like a spring color, super bright and vibrant? Maybe not. We toned down the red color, but now it is so much more wearable than it used to be. And maybe not with this type of eye makeup where I use a lot of vibrant yellow shade, but overall, if you want to experiment, if you want to add a little bit different shades, it's still going to look really pretty. And this is my suggestion, to use warm brown lip pencils. Oh my god, I feel like my lips, they can't handle this anymore. We're gonna start bleeding, I don't know, hopefully not. Final color that is extremely bright. This is Sephora, and the shade I'm using, Matte 14. The only problem that I have with this color, that it stains a lot. You can tell that I tried this on the back of my palm, and now there's a stain. Okay. This is extremely bright and vibrant shade, to the point where it's just almost impossible to wear the color. Okay, what can we do? I would probably go with a cool tone brown that I showed you for my color number 2. Now let's go with a cool tone brown. Okay, this is the final option that I really love because it's really bright, it's really vibrant, but we toned down everything with a cool tone brown. I'm not really sure if a warm brown is gonna work really well and pair well with this color, but a cool tone brown, slay. Well guys, and that's pretty much it for today's video. I hope you have a small understanding of how you can pair different lip pencils with lipsticks, and if they're super vibrant and you're like, oh, I purchased this color but I can't really wear it anywhere even during springtime, hopefully I got you covered, because you can just buy a lip pencil that's going to tone everything down and it's going to look fabulous and beautiful and wearable. That is the goal. I love you all so much, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.